Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 17, area. So first of all, first point is area of a rectangle. So this is a duster, it is in a rectangle form. Okay, so we will learn about the area of a rectangle. Look at this diagram. How many boxes of square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Each square box is 1 square centimeter. So when we will calculate area of a rectangle, length multiplied with the breadth. Okay. Next is the area of a square. First of all, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Each square box is equal to 1 square centimeter. So how many total boxes are? 6, and here is the 5 rows are there. 6 multiplied by 5, 30 square centimeter. Clear? Next is the area of a square. How we will find it? Again, how many boxes? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this side, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the area of a square? Side into side. We will multiply each side with the next one. Here is a area of square is equal to side into side. That means 4 in this side and 4 in that side. We will multiply with 4 into 4, that is 16. 4 into 4, 16 square centimeter. This is the formula of area of rectangle. You have to find length into breadth, and next one is the area of a square, side into side. Now we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Exercise 17.1. Your first sum is complete the following table in respect of rectangles. Length is already given in the first sum. A part, length given 16 centimeter, breadth is also given 2 centimeters. So length and breadth is already given. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So length is 16, breadth is 2 centimeter. 16 into 2, 32 centimeter square, because 16 is length is also in centimeter, breadth is also in centimeter. So unit is centimeter square. This is your answer. Next is B, C, D part. You will solve by yourself. Similarly, same as it is. Next is the third sum. Third sum is the side of a square is 70 centimeter. Find its area. One side of square already given. Side of square is equal to 70 centimeter. So you have to find its area. What is the area of a square? Side into side. So first side given 70 centimeter, 70 centimeter. After multiplication, 70 into 70, 4900 centimeter square. This is your answer. As it is, you can find the area of a square in the next sum. Next, fourth one is which of the following has a larger area and by how much? You have given two statements. First one is a rectangle of length is equal to 24 centimeter and breadth is equal to 17 centimeter. Length is given, breadth is given. So you have to find the area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, 24 into 17 centimeter. After multiplication, 24 into 17, 408 centimeter square is your answer. So next is the square of a side. One side is given to you, that is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. You know the area of a square. Side into side. into 21 centimeter. So after multiplication, 21 into 21, what will be the answer? Calculate it. Your answer is 441 centimeter square. And in your sum statement is which of the following has a larger area and by how much? Which is larger? 408 or 441 side of square, that is second one is the greater square. And how much? You will calculate it by yourself. Clear? And dear students, only 5 sums of this exercise in your syllabus. So your homework is exercise 17.1, sum number second and 5. You will solve by yourself on copy. Okay, in the fifth sum, what you have to do? The area of a rectangular region is 560 centimeter square and its length is 20 centimeter. Find the breadth of the rectangle. As you know, area is already given to you, 560 centimeter square and length 20 centimeter. But you have to find breadth of the rectangle. You know what is the area of a rectangle? Area is equal to length into breadth. So what do you have to do with this? Area is given to you and length is given to you. So what do you have to find? Breadth be as it is. You have to divide area divided by length. You will use this formula in the fifth sum. Okay students, thank you.